Hey everyone. So, I figured I'd do a video on this because, well, why not? So, stay tuned and see what we're working on today. It's a John Deere 400 garden tractor. These are Kohler powered and take roughly 3 quarts of 530, 1030, whatever you want to put it in as far as those two goes. That is the oil fill, and right here we have our drain screw, and it drains out of the bottom right there. So we're draining the oil right now. And to be honest with you, I'm not very motivated. I learned yesterday that cousin David, he's been fighting some demons, and I don't know what happened. Nobody knows what happened yet, but he passed away at some point over the past week and a half or so, and we just found out yesterday. Everybody did. So it kind of sucks. He's helped me a lot with my Camaro. Gave him something to do when he got out of treatment and stuff, so it kind of hits home pretty hard for me. So, not okay. But gotta keep grinding, right? So back to this bad boy. I'm gonna let this drain, and then I'm gonna grab a new filter and 3 quarts of 530, 1030, whatever I have on the shelf, and I'll be right back. So I'm sure there's actually a tool for this, but all we're gonna do is spin that in, and then we're just gonna snug it up with a pair of pliers, and I'll get this done and I'll be right back. So right here's your filter. It's on the passenger side of it. Somebody's an idiot and over-tightened it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a filter I'm using, but the old one was an 855-16 HD from CarQuest. So those are your two options. The one from CarQuest is a little bit bigger, but it's a freaking lawnmower, who cares? Alright, so I'm gonna go get the same filter, the 855-16 HD from CarQuest. The other one, the sealing surface, didn't really fit well enough on there, at least for my liking. So I'm gonna go get the other filter. That way I know it's good. So also gonna stop and grab some brake clean to clean this area up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and put some oil in this thing, and I'll be right back. Okay, so CarQuest didn't have the other filter, so this is the one I went with. It's a cross-reference to the 85516 HD. So this is what we're going to use. We'll throw it on there quick. Spin it on there a quarter turn past hand tight. Grab your trusty brake cleaner of choice. Clean it off. Throw 3 quarts in there. And this is what we're using. Nothing special, just Fram conventional 530. So we're going to go ahead and throw 3 quarts in there and call it a day. So, anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share. Call me out, whatever. I don't care. Deuces, everyone.